In this video, I will show you how to factory reset your phone if you intend to sell it. So first thing, you need to go in the settings. Your Apple ID will appear right here on top. You need to tap it. Now go at the end of this page where it says sign out. Tap on it. Here it will ask you for your password of your Apple ID. Enter it. Alright, now I typed my password. I can tap return. And now it will give all the settings. If you want to keep a copy of your contacts, keychain, or Safari settings, you can turn them off or on as you wish. And this time, for me, I don't need them, so I'll just keep it like this. And you're gonna type the sign out on the top right corner. It will ask you again. It may take a minute to remove your iCloud data from this iPhone. Tap sign out again. You absolutely need to remove your iCloud ID before factory resetting your phone. If you don't do this, the other owner won't be able to log with his own iCloud ID. Now, what you need to do is go in General. Once in General, scroll way down here where it says Reset. And now you need to select the second one, which says Erase all content and settings. Now you need to enter the code of your iPhone, your passcode. Okay, I entered it. And now it gives you this small box here where it says this will delete all media and data and reset all the settings. Just tap on Erase iPhone. And that's it. Once this is done, the iPhone will be ready to be sold, and the next owner won't have any access to your data or anything that was stored in your iPhone. Thanks for watching.